Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Today I'm going to be doing just a quick unboxing and a quick look at this Pitaka Air Case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now I've done some video reviews of the Pitaka cases on the channel before for other series of Samsung phones, and I just want to take another look at this one, which is new, obviously, for the Note 20 Ultra. And again, if you don't know about Pitaka cases, they're super thin. So this is really like where you're looking for the minimalist protection for your phone. And I don't know from a drop protection perspective how well these will do, but they look cool. They will protect your phone from the everyday kind of bumps and bruises, I guess, if putting it in your pocket, in your purse and things like that. But again, like from a drop protection perspective, probably not gonna protect it if you drop it from really high up. So this is made with what they call an aramid fiber, which is kind of like a Kevlar. It has a soft touch feel. This is 0.65 millimeters thin or thick, depending on how you want to view that. It's 10 grams, and it's a very nice material. So there is an extra kind of ring around the camera bump, provides easy access to the buttons, and it's one of the thinnest and lightest cases you will find for any phone. I do want to thank Pitaka for sending this over to the channel for an unboxing and honest first look. They did send over a Mag Easy case as well, which is kind of their magnetic mount case that has a built-in plate for magnetic mounts, but that's for the Note 20, which I don't have. I will have a dummy model of the Note 20 in the future, so I will do a separate fitment review and video on that. So this is just related to the Pitaka Air for the Note 20 Ultra. So let's just quickly kind of unbox this. I do like the boxes that these things come in, just really presented well. And there you see the case. Some information about their support, a little bit additional products, etc. there. It's like stuck. So you get, some paperwork there. And this is the case. I mean, this is so light. It feels like almost like a feather, right? It's very lightweight. So you can see this really kind of cool Kevlar looking weave. And I do really like that. I mean, it makes for a very slick look, I think. So you have your cutouts and all of that. So we'll just kind of pop this on the phone. I guess we can start on the back. As you can see, it does have this camera kind of bump protector, which will go around the edge of the camera bump, but it does not really give you a lot of protection beyond that, right? It doesn't, the back of the case is super thin, so this is not gonna go away. So if you do put like the camera down, or if you do put the phone down, camera first, it's still gonna rock, because, I mean, this is just protecting kind of the edges and the sides of the camera module, but it's not adding kind of any bulk to the back of the case. So that's either good or bad if you like the kind of slimness of this phone. This does not detract from that at all because it's obviously super thin. So on the side, you can see there's kind of like a cutout for where the volume up down, power button is. Bottom is cut out for the S Pen, USB-C, microphone, and speaker grill. And then on the side, I don't know if you can really tell, it's hard to tell with the lighting here, but it does not come fully up to the glass, right? So it just stops just short of where the aluminum is on the side. So this, again, like I said, this is minimal protection. The full side of the glass is exposed. Corners are protected, but it is still pretty close to showing the aluminum there. So again, this is not a drop protection case, right? This is not if you're going to drop this thing from a few feet onto concrete. It's not going to really do anything, I don't think, to protect the phone there, but it does look really cool. Gives you at least some protection from scratches and bumps and bruises, as I mentioned earlier. And doesn't add a ton of bulk if you want to be slipping this into your pocket. and you care about how much added weight or bulk a case gives you. Yeah, so I mean, overall, it's pretty cool. I do like it. So I'll link to this in the description below. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those in the comments section. If you like the video, if you got any value out of this, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up. As I mentioned, I will take a look at the Mag Easy case in a future video when I have the Note 20 dummy, so I can do a proper fitment test there. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.